Many of us want to know what are the precautions to be taken after laser treatment. So, if you have gone through diode laser hair removal, then we advise patients that on the day of doing laser treatment, you have to wash your face with cold water, avoid using hot water, and you have to apply moisturizer liberally 2-3 times a day. There can be some redness on some part for 1 or 2 days, so no need to worry about that. Similarly is for Nd:YAG laser. Nd:YAG laser is done for pigmentation on our face. So when the laser is performed on that day or for 2 to 3 days, there can be redness over the face. But after performing CO2 laser, downtime is more, that means the repair time is more. When we do CO2 laser, that laser is for acne scars or for other scars or for wrinkles. After performing that laser, there is redness and somewhat swelling over the face for 2 to 3 days. After that, small scabs will be formed and they will be removed in next 2 days. So whenever we do CO2 laser, we ask the patient to apply moisturizer more often and avoid rubbing, avoid picking off your skin or avoid removing the dead layer of your skin by your hands. You should apply the moisturizer and wash your face with cold water. You can stop using soap for 2 days. So if you take all these precautions, then the upper superficial layer will be removed smoothly, and finally after 5 to 6 days there will be no scabbing seen on your face. So there is no need to be afraid of these laser treatments. They do not cause any harm. Many people are reluctant or are afraid to do these treatments, but under supervision of a dermatologist, all these treatments are helpful and they do not cause any harm to our skin.